The first are those that oldest generation, the veterans, and those are folks who came out of the 50s, born, excuse me, in the late 40s, and they bring a real perspective around loyalty. The next generation, the one I represent, the baby boomers, and we were the big bulge in a huge number of baby boomers who became quite used to having their demographic shape things. And that was followed by the Gen Xers. And Gen X is that group who again, felt a little bit hard done by because they followed this big bulge of people. It was harder for them to break into the workplace, and they had to work a little harder to make some advances. That generation is followed by the millennials, who seem like they're the whipping, whipping, I won't say folks for so many of the things, avocado toast and the like. They came in with quite a different perspective, because they were the ones, while they didn't grow up fully ensconced in social media, had a lot of experience with that. And now we're starting to see those early 20-somethings who represent Gen Z, and those folks coming into the workplace with a whole different set of expectations and putting some pressures on millennials and all the way up, because of the hyper-connectedness that they have.